welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Today I have a 5-second challenge for all of you watching. Here goes the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you were able to complete the 5-second challenge, I want you to comment down below. What's your favorite makeup brand? Actually, no.
No, what's your favorite squishy?
What is your favorite perfume? Like what's your favorite Sol de Janeiro scent? Like 62.
Mine is 62.
59 or 40.
Right now.
I only have the 40, 62, and 59. That's all I have.
Yeah. And birthday cake.
I have a birthday
Some
cake
other
perfume, Tree Hut perfume, and then some body glitter perfume.
Yeah.
So let's get ready. First, we're going to do with my hair because we just took a shower and my hair's a little naughty.
I took a shower. And
She
I
took a
brushed
shower
mine.
at her house. So last night,
I brushed mine.
we're going to have a little story about last night.
Oh.
Last night, my brother and his friends were in the garage hanging out.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Stop spraying that on my eye.
her big sister
You're
walked
missing
over.
your hair.
Her big sister walked over and was in the garage with her.
Mm-hmm.
And she stayed the night at my house last night, and she went in the garage with me because I went in the garage since it's my house. And then her dad at like 10 o'clock came over here and said,
No, starting yelling at everybody, telling me to go home when I was staying with her, telling my sister to come home.
yeah.
It was a crazy story.
You know how he told my brother to go inside too?
Mm-hmm.
He didn't go inside.
Yeah, he literally said, all of y'all need to go home, and y'all be standing on those cars paying like $100,000. They weren't even standing on the cars; they were standing on the tire. And Nathan was just doing something, a vlog or something like.
Yeah, he. Really
And then his
told
girlfriend was messing with Dustin. It was a weird story.
His name is actually Nathaniel, but we call him Nathan because it's easier to call him. It was a bubble. She's going to entertain y'all while I go get my brush. It's in the living room.
Ow! Wow. Stupid unicorn. That's not a unicorn, that's a Labubu.
That is a unicorn.
That's a Labubu. Labubu. So it is crazy because ow. Okay. It was just crazy.
Don't go up.
Okay. On my eyeball.
Go get the rolly chair if you want to sit down.
Got the rolly chair.
My hair looks way better when it dries. My hair is so tangly. In the back.
In the back.
How much hair is in my brush? My mom used this, and my mom's hair is falling out. My mom's hair is all in the shower. I usually take showers in my mom's room because it's better, and my shower is like a bathtub.
Bigger. Yeah.
And it's way bigger. And mine's like a bathtub, but it has a shower, and it's leaning on a hill, so it's not that sturdy. I literally
This is scented.
Well, no dip, Charlotte.
But it smells like not strawberries. It smells like kind of like that puff. And
Because it's berry bliss. It's not strawberries, dumbo. This one is my favorite. The smell on this one is my favorite. Wait, the scent went away. It smelled way better than
the
this.
white one is disgusting. It is sticky, but it feels soft, but it's really sticky. I was playing with it. I smelled it. I almost just threw up.
Oh, you
Like,
remember the yellow one?
Yes. It was.
We
so
had
it
this.
was.
It was
yeah.
a little container, and we had it. It was lemon. Oh, it did not smell like lemon at all. It smelled like total. My grandma's breathing machine.
Yeah, my grandma's breathing machine. Her grandma's breathing machine.
Actually, none of my grandmas use a breathing machine, but it's like it smelled really bad.
Yeah.
I can't really describe it because I can't remember because we threw it away like immediately. Layla loved it though.
She has a problem with her.
Y'all should know who Layla is if y'all watched my packing for the river video. But the only reason we're getting ready is because we're going on a squishy hunt.
And we're going to make a video, and I just made a glove. Clock it. I made a glove because they said that you can make a glove out of slime, so I did. But, like, not my whole hand because it's not that big. But I'm going to break it through.
Okay.
My glove.
Now we're done with my hair. And now we got to start doing makeup. I'm not going to do that much makeup because, I mean, there was something in my eye and I'm about to freaking crash out. Okay.
My license.
Who opened my brushes? You.
Mary James took my license.
Let me see if that's better.
Let me lower it. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I think that's better.
Yeah.
Actually,
Stop Amos. Amos.
you're right. Someone
That was Timmy because
unorganized my
I was over here and Timmy was messing with those.
girl. Okay, so now first we gotta put concealer. Brooke, are you doing your makeup?
Sure. Hey. That's my sister. She's going squishy hunting with us. It's not her sister, my sister.
That's weird. I think the concealer must be out or
More. I'm not going to be looking at y'all. I'm going to be looking at the mirror. But I am going to be looking at y'all sometimes. That's weird. Yeah, this is really
Last time I was doing my makeup without like the light, it was completely dark. Then I turned the light on, looked in the mirror, like turned this bright light on, looked in the mirror. Oh, my makeup looked horrible.
It did.
Oh my god, you stripped that on my toe.
Just a little bit. Concealer. I meant foundation on your toe.
This needs to like
Get some more out. You stink bugs. Oh, her mom isn't in here. She's the one taking us. W's in the chat.
Because you know, I live right by my cousins. That's why they're always here.
Mm-hmm.
And I live right by my grandma too.
Mm-hmm. Our granny.
I just almost fell.
What are you doing?
I don't know. forgot to do skincare. We always forget to do skincare.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell y'all where I got these products just in case you want them. I got this off of Amazon, but it's SheGlam. And you can pick any shade you want.
And Maddie thought that was lipstick.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
It said blush on the cover.
Yeah, you thought that was lipstick. And then I said, wait, no, this is blush.
It's lipstick, too. It's lipstick and...
Caleb's crying. I gotta put so much on. Keep doing that. You would not leave my baby here. No.
Now I need highlighter.
Oh my god. I look pink.
Yeah?
Are you ready?
I'm almost done with my makeup. Okay, now I gotta curl the eyelashes.
Put some on my nose.
I hate this part.
I'm not gonna curl my.
When I put it on there for a long time, it makes my eyes feel like when I take it off, my eyes are blurry. Did it work? Not really.
I didn't curl my eyes because I don't want to.
Great. Oh god, I just smudged it. Or smudged.
Girl, we gotta go. I wish my nails were done. But I'm gonna go get my nails done soon.
Okay. Play.
So like,
Yeah, look what happened to my eyeliner.
okay.
That's what I used to pierce your ears.
Yeah.
I did it to Layla. It doesn't hurt. You can't even feel it.
Cute.
You just hear it.
Okay, come
Okay,
on.
now we're going to... It's not time to go. I didn't put deodorant on.
I don't.
I forgot to put some.
Already put some on.
Ow, that hurts. Why does
I
that
don't
hurt?
Because it probably just hurts. No, that
Okay.
smells good.
Beauty is pain. Am I even done with makeup? Let me get my lip bag. This is my lip gloss bag. And we're gonna wear my marshmallow scented one. I'm hungry. You want any?
I don't know why you said it like that.
Okay, now setting spray.
Wait.
put setting spray before y'all do makeup or after? Because I don't know what to do.
So she just puts it out.
I know. My mom tells me that it makes my makeup stay longer. You don't have to zip it all the way. Sometimes it doesn't really zip up all the way. I actually liked it. You just got it on the heat.
Wait, I only got it on the side of this.
And then I'm going to wear my 62 perfume.
Dang, girl.
Oh, I feel like I'm going to throw up.
Okay. That's it.
Now we're all moisturized for today. But I don't want this video to be so long. So y'all are going to have to go to part 2 for squishy hunting. So bye guys.
Bye, guys. Mwah.